Hello, this video shows how to set the delayed recording function. That means that when the engine power off, turn off, and keep the MDVR recording for a set time. First, this yellow power wire need to connect to ACC, and this red power wire need to connect to battery directly. Okay, then enter the menu. Vehicle on off, and here delay shutdown. It is off in default. Put it on and set the delayed time like 30 minutes. Delayed record time 30 minutes, and click apply to save. Then MDVR will keep recording for 30 minutes when the engine turns off.